So in this video we're going to talk about operators in Python. So operators are fundamental for performing calculations, making decisions, and also we can control the flow of the logic. So in this video we're going to talk about arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and also we're going to talk about the logical operators. So first of all, let's just talk about the arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. Like in example, we have the addition, which is used to add two numbers, like we can add x plus y. And also we have the subtraction. This is used to subtract two numbers like x minus y. And also we have the multiplication, and we can use that to multiply two numbers. And also we have the division. So division operator can be used to divide numbers, like in example x divided by y. Similarly also we have the floor division. So the floor division is where we divide numbers and then we round them down to the nearest integer. Like in example, we can divide 3 floor division 2. So the result is 1.5, but because we are using the floor division, so this will be rounded down to the nearest integer 1. And also we have the modulus, or also we can call this remainder. So we can use the modulus to find remainder after one division. Like in example, if we do 3 module 2, then this will return 1, which is the remainder after the division. And also we have the exponential or power operator, which is the double star. So we can use that operator to find the power of one number. Like in example, we can use 2 raised to the power 2, and this will return 4. So we are done with all of our arithmetic operators. Let's now talk about the comparison operator. So the comparison operators are used to compare two values, and then it always returns one boolean result. That means the result can be either true or this can be false. So first of all, we have the equal to operator. So here we use double equal sign. Like an example, we can use x double equal y. So here if the x and y are equal, then this will return true, otherwise this will return false. Like in example 2 double equal 3. So because they are not equal, so in that case this will return false. And also we have not equal to operator. So we can use exclamation and then equal, and this is a not equal to operator. So like in example, if we use 2 not equal to 3, because this statement is correct, so in that case it will return true, because 2 and 3 are not equal. And also we have the greater than operator. So we can use that operator to find out if a number is greater than another number or not. Like an example, we can use 2 greater than 3. So because 2 is not greater than 3, then this will return false. And also we have the less than operator, which is the opposite of the greater than. So we use the less than operator to find out if a number is less than of another number or not. So if we use 2 less than 3, because 2 is less than 3, so this will return true. And also we have the greater than or equal to operator. So here we use greater than and the equal sign for that operator. So this operator is used to figure out if a number is greater than or equal to another number or not. Like an example, if we use 2 greater than equal 3, because 2 is not greater than or equal to 3, so this will return false. And also we have less than or equal to operator. So this is opposite of the greater than or equal to. So here we use less than equal sign. So this operator is used to find out whether a number is less than or equal to another number or not. Like an example, if we use 2 less than equal 3, because 2 is less than 3, so this will return true. So we are done with all of our comparison operator. Let's now talk about the logical operators. So the logical operators are used to combine conditional statements and return a boolean result. So here we have the logical AND. So the logical AND will return true if both conditions are true. Like an example, if we use two conditions like 2 less than 3 and 5 greater than 2. So we are using AND operator between these two conditions. So because here both of the conditions are true, that's why this expression will return true. But if any of the conditions become false, in that case the logical AND operator will return false. Like an example, suppose we have a condition 5 less than 2. Because this condition is false, so the entire expression will return false. And also we have the logical OR operator. So the OR operator will return true if at least one of the conditions are true. So like an example, if we have 2 less than 3, so this is true, and also we have 5 greater than 2. So here because both of the conditions are true, so this will return true. But suppose the second condition is false, in that case also this will return true because the first one is true. So this will only return false when both of the conditions are false. So here both of the conditions are false, that's why it will return false. And next we have the NOT operator. So the NOT operator used to reverse one boolean value. Suppose we have one condition 2 less than 3. So this condition is true, but we can reverse that using the NOT operator. So we can use NOT and then the condition, and this will reverse that boolean value to false. Similarly, suppose we have one false condition. So this is a false condition, so we can reverse that with the help of NOT operator, and then it will be reversed to true. So this way NOT can be used to reverse any boolean value. So these are all the logical operators in Python. So hope you understand about the logical operators and also the comparison operator and the arithmetic operators. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.